How to change your iPhone's ringtone, text tone and other sounds. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your settings app, scroll down. Over here you will find this option of sound and haptics. Open it. Now over here you can find this section for sounds and haptic patterns. Under that you will find different options from where you can easily change your iPhone's ringtone, text tone and other sounds. Heading towards the first option, ringtone, open it. From here you can select ringtone for your device. Here you're gonna get tons of options. You can choose any of these. After you select it, at the top you can find the option of vibration. Tap on it. From here you can select the vibration for your ringtone. If you want to synchronize ringtone with the vibration, you can set it to default. After you do that, you can go back. Now you can go to this option of text tone. Open it. From here you can select the text tone. At the top, you'll find the option of vibration. Open it. If you want to synchronize the vibration with the text tone, you can do that by tapping on the option of default. Likewise, you can head towards other options as well given over here as new voicemail, calendar alerts, reminder alerts, and select the sound for those options. So this is how you can change your iPhone's ringtone, text tone, and other sounds. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.